Lesson 2.1, Part 4. So let's try a word problem. Jake and Brad each opened up their own savings account. Jake made an initial deposit of $200 and plans to deposit $20 a week. Now what does that look like as an equation? Because here's the first part of the problem. Jake's equation, and I'm going to use some different letters instead of X and Y because it's a word problem here. So I'm going to say the money that he has is equal to the $200 that he put in right away plus the $20 he puts in every week. On the other hand, Brad did not make an initial deposit, but he does put in $60 a week. So Brad's equation, or in other words, the money he has, is equal to just the $60 he puts in every week. Now let's take a look at our graph. Now I'm going to rewrite these down here so that we can have a good look at them here, because I'm going to zoom in on the graph. All right. Okay, now let's write our units down here. Let's say the x-axis represent weeks. And we'll go 0 weeks and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, etc. And this will be our money, which is our M. And let's go by 20s. So 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, and then I'm going to go by 20s here now. I'm still going by 20s, but 100, 110, 140, 160. Just making sure I got these right here. So 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 120, 140, 160, 180, 200, 220, 240, 260, 280, 300. And I can go more on each axis, but we'll go with that for now. Now, our first person has a y-intercept at 200, which is right here. It has a slope of 20 over 1. So up 20 over 1. And I'm going to find a solution here. So I want to be as accurate as I can on my graph and do the same slope and plot a bunch of points. So I'm going up 20 and over 1 every time. Now what we're wondering here is, based on the question, how many weeks will they have the same amount saved? So we want to see where they intersect. Here we have a slope of 60 over 1. Now the y-intercept is 0. So my slope is 60 over 1, so 20, 40, 60 over 1. 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 20, 40, 60 over 1, and so on. So this represents the other person. Now the solution is where they intersect. And that is right here. So this point represents these two values. So in 5 weeks, they'll both have $300. So that represents the answer to our question. So this ends Lesson 2.1, Part 4.